hello, Constatáisih. Caoimhe Ní Mhaolagáin is anam domsa. Agus is staisor shanos me. I'm a shanos dancer. So tá mé chun píosa déisa a bhúna díobh. I'm going to be teaching you a little bit of shanos dancing with and without the kilts. We'll go through a few steps. Dús, first, I just thought that it would be important just to give you a little bit of history about myself as a dancer, and also a background into shanos dancing itself. So my name is Caoimhe. Caoimhe is anam domsa. Tá mé ag déisa le hart 15 bliain. I'm dancing for about 15 years. I started off with the Irish dancing, the Rinca Gaeltacht, and then I went on and I'm continuing with the shanos now. So I've travelled a good bit nationwide and worldwide with the déisa, so it's one of the best passports you could ever get. So for any páistí out there that are learning any musical instrument, I also play the fiddle, the harp and the tin whistle. So anyone that's learning an instrument or that's doing a bit of déisa, let the hull, please stick with it, because tá sé go híntach when you get older. It's really good. So just a little bit about shanos dancing itself. Shanos dancing, it's made up of two different words. Shan, meaning old, and nos, meaning style. So it's shan, S-E-A-N, and nos is N-O for the S. So it's like the old style of Irish dancing that we had in Ireland before the Irish dancing came in. So the Irish dancing came in after the shanos, and that was brought in so there'd be no dancing with the buckley and the Caoimhe on a snack mech sin on, so no déisa with them, and the lava sheas at their teeth, at their sides. So the shanos dancing tá sé on difriúil, it's a good bit different. So with the shanos dancing tá the lava sear, free hands, being the cussie, tá sé congrach don talamh, they're close to the ground. And it's actually great because you can be creative and you can make up your own steps. So everyone has their own different style. So it'll be the old style, but really it's an individual style. So Shin A, Rudawan Ella, just a raw. I have Nabrogi déisa. You all know Cadi Nabrogi. So tá Nabrogi armsa, tá na taps armsa na Nabrogi tap. So in today's day, galore de nadini cahan siad na taps. The taps would be for performing. If you're playing in concerts, if you're teaching, tá siad anna wa, ma tá mise ag múna déisa gach lá. But traditionally, go tradiisiúnta is na brogi seo a cotter eat. So le lahar with leather or le almond. So tá na cín seo tá si déanta le almond. So for anyone that will be joining me today for the little bit of déisa, I hope that you're wearing, if you have brogy tap, that's cearclór ionach, or if you have any type of brogue with a hard sole. So a hard wooden, a hard leather sole, or even just a hard sole. So Shin A, tá muid chun tíosa chur leis. So what I'm going to do is, just how these tá muid chun píosa déisa a sponge Steve. I'm going to show you a little bit of déisa, mise ag déisa. And you'll just see that you can make up your own little steps, how my lavi are, and there's no really strict rules with this. So tá sé anna wa. So tá síle go muini sibh tanmh as an déisa shanos, agus as na ceardlin na workshops ar fad. So tá mé chun rial a chur ar siúl, ceol, das, tá an flute ag sinnam, tá an fiddle, agus tá an guitar ag sinnam chomma. So gur míle maithagah, agus slání mé orm.